Conversion of two rectangles from ASA to ORS. First you have to see the figure 4.2. Now you have to draw first YO and XO. You can see both are perpendicular. Now you have to draw XM and YM. You can see both are perpendicular. Now you have to draw the cutting tool. From point C you have to draw a perpendicular on XM. Now point C you have to draw another perpendicular on YM, and you can see T, capital T, thickness of the tool shank. Now OD equal to cot gamma X, OB equal to cot gamma Y, OC equal to cot gamma O, and OA equal to cot lambda. From this diagram you can see this. From this diagram you can obtain these values. Now in triangle OBD is equal to OBC plus OCD. OBC plus OCD. So what will be the area of the triangle OBD? Half into base into height. That means half into OB. OB will be the height, and what will be the base? OD. This will be the area. Same. What will be the area of the OBC? Half into OB into CE. Plus what will be the area of OCD? Half into OD into CF. You can solve from this diagram. Now next line, in this line you can see half of OB into OC sin phi. So from figure 4.2 you can see CE by OC is equal to height by hypotenuse is equal to sin phi, and CE by OC is equal to base by hypotenuse is equal to cos phi. So you will get this line. Next, dividing both sides by half into OB, OD, OC. So after dividing this you will get this line. Okay, and now from this equation 1 by OC equal to cot gamma O. So 1 by OC equal to tan gamma O. This is tan gamma O. Like this you will get this equation, and this is the very important for your exam. From figure 4.2, triangle OAD equal to triangle OAB plus triangle OBD. Now you have to write the area. This will be area. Now from figure 4.2, AG by OA is equal to sin phi. So AG equal to OA sin phi, and OG equal to OA cos phi. Now dividing both sides by half of OA, OB, OD, you will get this equation. You know OA equal to cot lambda. So 1 by OA equal to tan lambda. OD equal to cot gamma X. So 1 by OD equal to tan gamma X. OB equal to cot gamma Y. You will get 1 by OB sin phi equal to tan gamma Y sin phi. This is the second equation. Okay, now you have to write this matrix. So you can see left part is ORS and right part is ASA, and this is called transformation matrix. Now from this equation and this equation you can write this matrix like plus sin phi plus cos phi, plus sin phi plus cos phi. minus cos phi plus sin phi, minus cos phi plus sin phi, and finally you will get this matrix. Just this sign will be changed, plus cos phi minus cos phi, and here minus cos phi plus cos phi. So from this matrix you will get these two equations.